Welcome to the JW Marriott in Orlando. They're known for having an amazing New Year's Eve display. They have fireworks. They're also known to have their Winter Wonderland Market at the beginning of winter and towards the end of December 31st. As you can see here, it has an amazing entrance as soon as you pull up to the resort. Now here at the JW Orlando Marriott, you have the option to self-park or you have the option to valet. On New Year's Eve, the valet did cost $55 per vehicle. We did go with that option because it's just super convenient. They were very busy during this time of the year and we just wanted all the convenience. Now, as you can see here, they do have the lobby decorated beautifully for Christmas, and they do have New Year's Eve decorations, which is very nice. And coming up, you will see how they have the balloon arches. They have several different photo opportunities, which I loved. And just coming around here, you can see that here. Now, they also have different dinner options. They do have a primo Italian restaurant. Don't quote me on the name, but the restaurant does have like a buffet style option with a prefix menu. I don't know the price of that because we didn't really look into it. We have children, so we wanted something more casual. They do have a restaurant that is for hotel only guests that's there in the lobby, and you just have to show proof that you're staying at the hotel, and we chose to eat there. I will try to link the name of the restaurant, but it was really good. So as you can see here, it's just more of the decor. Here you can see more of the photo opportunities, which were beautiful. And what I like about staying at the JW Orlando Marriott is you have the option to cross over a bridge and go to the Ritz Carlton property. And you will see that coming up. But right now we're just visiting the gift shop. In this gift shop, they have Disney merch galore. I was shocked by all the Disney merch, and there's a specific brand. I forgot the brand name, but it's clothing, backpacks. It's a little on the pricey side. As you can see here, that bag was $155, but it seems like things that you can't find in the park, and it's very exclusive items. Like, look at those shoes there. They're super cute. And over here, we decided to cross over to the Ritz Carlton. You can just see here what they have going on at the Winter Wonderland Market. On our way to the Ritz Carlton, they did have these displays so you can see what is going on for New Year's Eve and even throughout December. And here, this resort has so many views. It is so beautiful, and the smell inside of the hotel, I can't even begin to describe it. So that journey to the Ritz Carlton Hotel is very scenic, which I like, and I will just show you more of the scenery here. So yeah, when you're staying at JW Orlando Marriott, you can go back and forth from the Ritz Carlton to JW Marriott if you want to dine at the Ritz Carlton, or the other way around. And here they have so many patio views. It's more of that Christmas decor that I love. And this is a great hotel for children because they have so many areas to run around. My toddler, he's only almost going to be 2 years old, and they can just really run free. And this is just a view of that Winter Wonderland Market. Now, the Winter Wonderland Market is open for everyone, so you don't have to be a resort hotel guest to go to that market, which is kind of cool. And you will see here that walkway heading to the Ritz Carlton. And this is where it kind of transitions from JW Marriott to the Ritz Carlton. Now, this was the Ritz Carlton's decor. Sorry if you hear my son in the background. This was their New Year's Eve decor, and I just show you what they had to offer. Of course, Ritz Carlton is beautiful as well, and their little restaurant and their bar area. And they did have free champagne set up for their guests along with water. Now, JW Marriott did have people walking around with free champagne flutes as well, so that was pretty cool. So I'm just showing you here the property of the Ritz Carlton. This was, I believe, lobby level, so you have the different floors that you can explore. And here we're just heading back to our hotel. And around the property, there are so many scenic areas and pathways to walk around. You can walk around the lake area. We didn't really get to do much because we were just staying one night, and the property is so big. And coming around this way, I'm going to give you a view of how the Winter Wonderland Market looks. And then you're also going to see they have like a splash pad area, which I thought was really cool. So here we are, we're just walking around, enjoying the sights. Now at the Winter Wonderland Market, they have little houses set up and they each sell stuff. So they'll have like a hot cocoa bar. They have these little igloos that you can rent with a champagne experience for New Year's Eve. Those are starting at like $500 for a group of up to 6 people. And I'm just showing you it here. It opens at 5 o'clock. So it opens from 5 until midnight, I believe. And just seeing that there. So obviously this time that we were walking around, it wasn't open at the time. So here we are just walking around. Now this is the splash pad area that I was talking about. During this time, it was about 67 degrees. So not too many people were out in the pool area. But fun fact, the pool is heated to 80 degrees. We did call to check on that, but we just didn't have the time to enjoy those amenities. Now this is our balcony room view. We did have a view of the pool area, the resort, the golf course, the market, and of course at nighttime the fireworks. Stay tuned towards the end of the video because you will see the full fireworks show. It was absolutely stunning. It is like Disney quality fireworks, which I love. So here they have the lazy river. The lazy river winds all the way around. They have little splash pads. And like I said before, if you are staying with toddler or children, this is a must-do resort. And here we are just doing a cranberry champagne flute cheers. That's a must-do on New Year's Eve. And just showing you more of that property. So here comes the room tour. So just to give you a little bit of background, it was about 6 of us. So we decided to have 2 bedrooms. We had 1 bedroom, which was a king size bed and then a pull-out bed. Right now I'm just showing you the bathroom. They have the closet, of course, with the robes, your ironing board, the usual amenities. And coming around, that is the pull-down couch. So that turns into 1 pull-down couch. You have your king size bed here. And of course, this is the balcony pool lake view, which was beautiful. Now, our rooms were adjoining. They do connect through. I don't believe I show that part, but that door right there, it connects to the other room. So here you have a coffee maker. They do give you, the usual complimentary coffee. You have a fridge. Now, this is the 2 queen size bedroom. So it comes with the 2 queen size beds, and you can see that the bathrooms are pretty much similar. It comes with a standing shower there, and then you do also have a separate bathtub area. Now I like how, I don't know if you noticed in the other bathroom, but they put like a little brown tray if you want to soak in the bath. So, and coming around here, they also give you complimentary like bath minerals if you want to take that bathtub soak. So coming around here, you see the 2 queen size beds. It also has a little lounger there. You have your TV area, an area to set down your luggage. And once again, here you have your coffee maker with your complimentary water, some Biscoffs. Who doesn't love Biscoff cookies? And of course, your little ice container, a little desk. And then, of course, coming over to the views again of the pool area. The beds were super comfortable. Highly recommend this hotel. We've stayed about 2 other times before. It is close to Disney Springs, to Disney World, about a 10 to 15 minute ride depending on the traffic. So as you can see there, that is the closet area, and just showing you more of the views. So here we are at the Winter Wonderland Market at nighttime. Absolutely stunning with all the lights. And here I will be showing you just a little area of the market, what they offer. They do have that hot cocoa bar that you will see coming up. And this is just amazing picture opportunities all the way around. And just showing you more of how beautiful it is. Now, on New Year's Eve, like I said, December 31st, that is the last day of the market. So they have it open until midnight. And you have your little options here for the hot cocoa bar to put things inside of it. They also sell cookies, candy canes. We did get a cookie, a mint chocolate chip cookie, which was absolutely delicious. It just gives you really those holiday vibes on New Year's Eve. So they have a bunch of stuff for sale. Now they also have a little house that sells alcohol. We didn't really partake in that much since we had the kids with us. If you do that, no judgment either. And here the kids just play. They roam free. They do play music. Obviously, since I'm doing the voiceover, you don't get to see the music, but my son was absolutely loving it. They do give out free hats. They give out free little necklaces. They do have this complimentary, sorry if you hear things crashing in the background, my son's playing, but they have complimentary train rides. This is an up close of those igloos that had the champagne service and does fit 6 people that I was talking about earlier. Once again, it's $500 per igloo. Now they had every hour snowfall. So on the hour, every hour, they did have this fake snowfall, which added to the festivities, and we loved it. And you can see here my son just enjoying it. It went on for a good amount of time, about 10 minutes, I believe, with just all the snowfall. And it's just a magical time. You know, when you live in Florida, you need that little fake snowfall. So it was nice that the Winter Wonderland Market did have it. So here we're just on the balcony. We were waiting for the countdown to happen, just taking in all the nighttime views, as you can see here. The countdown's about to come up. Happy New Year, everyone. Hope you enjoy the firework display. I will be leaving the sound on so you can enjoy the fireworks. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Don't forget to subscribe.
What color is that one?